With me is a Dahua attendance device, ASA1222E, and this is the physical appearance. This is just a simple standalone attendance device. If you look at the ports, it only has a power port, so it means if you want to export the report, you use the USB port. Let's just look at some of the features it has. Things like it has a keypad. Of course, it supports fingerprint for adding users. So the main navigation is on this menu button, so if I press on it, I'll be able to see the different menus it has. And for instance, we have to add a user, so I'll come to user and select OK. Then I create add new user. Of course, you have to key in the user ID and then you enter the name. So for this case, I'll just use my name. This is how you write, like you press and then you select the number the letter you want to key in is on. Then once you have entered the user's name, for example, I'll just use Zef for this case. Then so I'll key in H, which is number 2 here. Then I say OK. Then I have option of adding 3 fingerprints. So I press FP1, then press OK. It will of course prompt me. I'll put my fingerprint there, then remove again, press and remove, and then I'll press the third time and remove. So with that, it will ask me to confirm if to save the fingerprint or not. I can also add another fingerprint. I press OK. Then maybe let me use my thumb. So I press. Then it prompts to press again. Then prompts to press again. Then I save this fingerprint. I can also save for my other hand, but this is good enough. Then I scroll down again. You can create a password for this user. So for example, I'll use a simple password. Then press OK. Of course, I have to confirm the password. Then OK. Then confirm. Once I do that, I select the department. Of course, I must create departments, but by default, there is headquarter, then the schedule mode, then the user level. So that's it. Then when I press escape, it will just save the user automatic. Then I can query. So for instance, I can go to users and then query for the users. Enter the user, select the user, and then view, so I can edit. Then I can also edit the department so that I can add different departments and edit also what we have. Then we have data. So data is more of just querying the data after users have been clocking in throughout the month. Then we have shifts. So you create like shift setup for entering, exit, and all that. Then USB is just more about exporting and importing data to the device. Then we have features. Features like date, time. You can update your time here, maybe the system information and all that. Then we have the system information, more about the device. If you want to set a password and all that, you'll use this menu. So that covers a brief overview of this device. So you can feel free to look for it and try. Thank you.